I want to review just the unit rates and scaling ratios. You did a bunch of this in investigation 1, but I just want to make sure we're all on the same page. Unit rates are used a ton in our regular lives, okay? You know, which item is cheaper? If you notice in the grocery stores, they have what they call the unit price. How much is it per ounce? How much is it per box? How much? Okay, so all of that, a pound. They already put it out. They have little tabs there that tell you that. Okay, because then you can, because they have different sizes of a item, different jars of sizes of peanut butter or cereal or something like that. The unit price really gives you the amount of money you're paying per ounce or a pound or, you know, whatever, however that's measured. But it gives you the ability to compare them equally on an equal basis. Okay, how about if I'm increasing a recipe? We talked about this some in class. I have this recipe, but, you know, more people are coming. So what, you know, how can I scale this up to make sure that I have enough for everybody? Who is the fastest runner? I mean, that could be per meter, because a lot of the track things are measured in metric, not in standard. Okay, which car gets the best gas mileage? If I'm buying a car and money for gas is a consideration, I want to know which is getting the best miles per gallon. How much is my bill going to be? If you tell me that a pizza is going to cost $7 and I need to buy 5 of them, I need to know that the unit rate is $7 and 5 is, you know, going to be $35. If you tell me that a drink is going to cost, for every 10 drinks I buy, it's going to be, you know, $70. I only need one. So then I know that just one drink would be $7. So finding the unit rate is something we do often in life. And so I just want to go over, I'm going to use only from problem 1.2, going to look at the mixes. So I'm going to look at the mix from the previous 1.2. So I'm looking at mix A, and we know that we had 2 cups of concentrate for every 3 cups of water. And we know that that made 5 cups of juice. And we talked about, you know, scaling up, and you've done this forever, right? You've been scaling up fractions. You've done equivalent fractions. So this is just a review. Well, I want to make sure that we're all hearing the same thing. So 3 cups of concentrate to 3 cups of water makes 5 cups of juice. And, you know, that's not enough. So I need, let's say I need 20 cups of juice. I need 20 cups of juice. Okay, and I want, so I need to scale this up. So as I'm looking at this, I'm thinking, oh my gosh, I'm going to need 4 times as much juice, which means that I'm going to have to scale this up, and I'm going to have to make this 4 times greater. So if that was 4 times juice, each of the items in the recipe are going to have to be 4 times. So 4 times 2 is I'm going to need 8 cups of concentrate. And I'm going to need 12 cups of water. Because if I add them together, that's going to get me my 20 cups of juice. So that is very simplistically the idea of scaling up. Okay, so I'm multiplying, I'm increasing each of the pieces of the ratio and actually creating a proportion. So notice proportion, equal ratios, and we talked about that in the last investigation. Okay, now just to review unit rates, if I was saying I need to find out, I have 2 cups of concentrate for every 3 cups of water. And I know that my unit rate is per 1. 1. So what would the amount of concentrate be per 1 cup of water? Well, I'm dividing by 3. So I'd have to divide the top by 3. And I would get 0.66 repeating, or 0.67 cups of concentrate. Okay, so for every cup of water, I know I have to put 0.66 or 2/3 cups of concentrate if I used a fraction. If I want to do it the other way, I could also do it the other way. Remember, there's 2 ways to do unit rates. I could do concentrate per cup of water. And if I wanted to find out the water per concentrate, okay, I'm gonna, the concentrate goes on the bottom. That's kind of traditionally what happens. If I want 1 cup of concentrate, and how would I do that? Well, I'm gonna divide by 2. Means I'm gonna divide by 2. So for every cup of concentrate, I'm going to need 1.5 cups of water. And so that would be my unit rate. So I just want to write it. So in this case, I'm going to have 0.66 cups of concentrate per 1 cup of water. And down here, we have more space. I'm going to write it all out. I have 1.5 cups of water for every 1 cup of concentrate. And there we go. This is just a little review there.